The wonders of coconut MCT oil to unlock the true potential for your well-being. We're going deep into the secrets of this amazing oil. Number 1. MCT oil health secrets. So what's the significance of coconut MCT oil? Coconut MCT oil offers multifaceted approach to supporting our health. MCTs have distinctive characteristics that set them apart from conventional dietary fats. The importance of its impact on key aspects, from heart health to cognitive function, weight management to digestive support. Number 2. HDL cholesterol with MCT oil for heart health. MCT oil can help elevate good HDL cholesterol, a shield against heart disease. Not all saturated fats are created equal, and coconut MCT oil introduces distinct medium-chain triglycerides. The role of coconut MCT oil in elevating high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol, often hailed as the good cholesterol, plays a pivotal role in cardiovascular health. It acts as a shield, scavenging excess low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, commonly known as the bad cholesterol. The magic lies in the way coconut MCT oils navigate the intricate pathways of lipid metabolism, journeying directly to the liver from the digestive tract. They undergo a transformation, contributing to the production of HDL cholesterol. Number 3. Alzheimer's with coconut MCT oil. MCT oil play a pivotal role in Alzheimer's, with their distinctive molecular structure. MCTs journey through the digestive tract, reaching the liver with remarkable efficiency. They undergo a metamorphosis, evolving into ketones. Ketones act as a backup energy reservoir that the brain can tap into when its usual fuel, glucose, becomes less efficient. Alzheimer's is often characterized by impaired glucose utilization in brain cells. When brain cells metabolize ketones derived from MCT oil, they might function more efficiently. This is a potential game changer for individuals grappling with Alzheimer's. Antioxidant compounds such as polyphenols engage in a dance, combating oxidative stress, a contributor to Alzheimer's. Number 4. Torch calories with coconut MCT oil. The rapid metabolism of MCTs and the subsequent production of ketones may contribute to an increase in the number of calories burned for energy. This heightened energy expenditure, in turn, can contribute to the burning of stored fats for fuel, potentially aiding in weight management. Number 5. Appetite suppression with MCTs. Capric and caprylic acids, alongside lauric acid, causes controlled calorie intake with the help of coconut MCT oil. This is due to the thermogenic or heat-producing effect of MCTs, which can increase the feeling of fullness. Number 6. Digestive aid in MCTs. Coconut MCT oil supports digestive health, giving your pancreas a break. The scientific magic lies behind coconut MCT oil's support for digestive health with vitamins and minerals found within this tropical elixir. MCTs don't require pancreatic enzymes for breakdown. This means they bypass the typical digestive process, reaching the liver swiftly for conversion into energy. This allows the pancreas to function more efficiently and reduces the potential for digestive discomfort. Coconut oil brings a touch of essential vitamins like E and K and minerals like iron. While present in small amounts, these nutrients contribute to the overall digestive process. Monoglycerides and fatty acids, including lauric acid, join the digestive team with antimicrobial properties. This defensive role helps combat unwelcome bacteria, contributing to a healthy gut flora. Number 7. Coconut MCT oil's seizure alleviating properties. Neuroprotective polyphenols in coconut MCT oil contribute to relief of seizures. MCTs in coconut oil initiate a metabolic shift. They produce ketones, serving as an alternative energy source for the brain, stabilizing electrical activity. These safeguard the brain from oxidative stress, helping in managing seizures. Number 8. Immune support. Lauric and capric acids. Lauric and capric acids defends your body against harmful microorganisms and potential infections. Lauric acid are metabolized into monolaurin in the body, a substance adept at eliminating bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Number 9. Cautions and caveats. Digestive discomfort, cholesterol considerations, caloric awareness, and debates surrounding heart health and blood sugar impact. People with certain health conditions, such as liver issues or pancreatitis, should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating MCT oil into their diet. It's advisable to start with a small amount, like a teaspoon, and gradually increase to the recommended serving size of 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Hit that like button if you're captivated. Share your coconut MCT oil tales in the comments. Subscribe and tap the bell for more deep dives into the world of wellness.